So this used to be the website of Amazon.com right from its start. So Amazon launched in 1995, and this was actually the first website. So as you see, this was in 1995. All websites, you should look at this in perspective. All websites kind of look like this. So it had a couple of links and a couple of websites that would give you tips, and you could buy kind of a book. Then you would have a search page. The logo really looks quite old. These were really the early days of Amazon.com. Now, as we go further on the timeline, 1997 to 1999, you can see the logo changes. You can also see the way they structure the website really changes. They get a menu with different tabs. Now there's also a menu on the left in order to give you more handles in order to find what you're looking for. And also this becomes more visual. So you get pictures, a couple of pictures, still quite small pictures, but still these are pictures. You get recommendations. There's a couple of different sections on the web page. And then they really started to get into this structure in order to hopefully help people to find better what they were looking for. And they really get into tabs. So they had 3-4 lines of tabs, actually, as you can see in the picture on the left. Every time they had more tabs, and it actually, instead of becoming more structured, it became more confusing. So people really didn't know where to look for what they were looking for, where to go. Now the picture on the right, it still has a lot of tabs. It still has a menu on the left, also has a menu on the right. It really didn't get any more structured that way or more user-friendly. So they were trying to get more information to the customer, but still it kind of ended up confusing. So that was 2000, and then 2001, 2000 to 2009, it becomes a little bit more structured. Like the menu on the left becomes a little bit more ordered. The tabs, they had less tabs that actually said more, that they had better categories, and you see the pictures becoming bigger. So they were launching ebooks, for example. They were starting to sell different products as well. And every time there were more pictures, which made it more user-friendly. So then after that, 2012 to 2019, you get a modular design. So this is a vertical way of structuring, not so many menus anymore, not so many tabs and links that are not structured and not user-friendly. Every time the design is more simple, more visual, and it looks more modern. It has a different feel to it. So that's how we know Amazon right now, and it makes it a lot easier to find the stuff that you need there. There's a lot of different products selling on Amazon. Now this is what you get when you do the validating tests right. You get a similar process. So first you figure out all the functions and features that it needs to have, and afterwards you can really structure and make it user-friendly, so your design actually has an impact on the experience of the user, and that's mostly within details, and it's very often a process. And of course the timeline of Amazon has a big impact on that, because Amazon exists for 25 years now. So that really has, or 26 years, so that really has an impact on the development of the website, and every time they get a step further towards designing a better website in order for people to find their stuff easier and to sell it to them better.